Greetings to all my Jamaican brothers and sisters. Anywhere on the day. Yard, foreign, nearing, greetings. The spot's coming to you again with our little talk, idea and solution. Give me back my sweet, sweet Jamaica. And we're still on the topic of police and policing. So, right now, we don't continue on episode 2. Because, as me say, nothing left out. Alright? So, I want to touch on a little thing here where I think it's very much needed. And that can be of great help. And that is called community policing. Yeah, man. Community policing is needed. The people who are living in them community need to know. Need to know, man. You need to engage with the people. Need to engage with them, man. And you can't just come in when you think of something you come specifically to do and that's how it goes. No. As long as you're assigned to a area, the people in the community are supposed to know. And we're not supposed to know them. We're not going to know everybody, but at least you have some form of rapport. So yeah, man, you don't need some community policing. The kids them need to know. And nothing is better than when you know the kids, especially, when them little and they grow up and see all the time. It is very nice. It works very well. Community policing works very well both for you and for the people who live in the community. So you don't need for just a drive through and just that's all. No, you're not supposed to do that, man. Sometimes you come in and you drive through and you stop. You start to talk to the children. You see them they play up on the road. You stop and talk to them, man. Say hello. Engage them. Let them not be afraid of you. You stop at one little grocery store in the area. Buy something. If I have one bulla, buy one bulla. Talk to the people them. Find out if everything alright. Just engage them. Engage them. You have a little rapport. It's easy. Both with kids and adults. It really, really works. It makes things better for you and for them. The pitney them now have to just know you and the people them and a whole say you're a killer. And you only come in when you want to kill. No, man, I know so you go. Them need to know say you're not just a killer, you're there to protect them and make them feel safe. And that is what you need to do. Your job is not just to kill. Your job is to keep order and the peace. You can't just go in looking for somebody only when you want to kill them. No, man, that's not one good sign at all. That's not one good sign. Let them know you. Yeah, man, let them know you. Police, community policing, it is very much needed. It is. You can't just hide behind a gun. Don't do that. You can't do that. Go and go show your face. Make them see your face so you're not gruff. Make them see say you're a regular human being and you're not really a killer. Because that's not what you're supposed to be. That's not what your total assignment is all about. Just to be a killer. No. Killing is part of it. But it's not the big picture that, boss. You have to go do better than that. You have to go change how they run things. You have to go change how they run things because you can't just get up the killer of the little youth them because then there's nothing for the future. And if you don't start killing off all of the little young boy, then the whole of the woman them have to go turn lesbian. So we have to go do something, boss. And as me say, community policing is something one must look into. I mean, nothing, a little boy love to see a police car. Him love to see you in a uniform. They do. And especially if you have, you're a respectable person, a respectable officer. You stop by and them seeing the uniform and them excited. Right, that's how some of them start to think so when they come bigger police, they want to turn, them want to drive the car, they want to wear the uniform. And them they look at something they don't know if do boss. When they show up on yourself when you're ready to kill like and they want people afraid down on the hide behind the gun and when you think you are gruff and you know man, you can't do that. You go in the area man, you engage the kids them. You ask them questions. You see them they play. You stop and you ask them questions. You talk to them. Ask them about school. Ask them about them teacher, them favorite subject. Find out what them like. Let them know you. And you know them. That's what it's all about. You can't assign to an area and nobody don't know your name. Say, boy, I'm Mr. Brown, I'm Mr. Black, Mr. Green. Assigned to this area, I know. So them say, them the policeman their name. No, I know so if you go, them supposed to know you. And you're supposed to know them. And if you do that, you will see how much it works. You will see how much it works, boss. Because any place that have community policing, it works good for them. So go and go check it out. And you will see. So that is the truth. Because me don't know why you're not afraid to engage your people in your community. It is an easy and simple thing. It's very easy. Because, as me say, one they do not work. Them the way one they do it, it's a new way now. You have to change that. Because, as me say, if you have a rapport with them, and you get to know them and them get to know you, it becomes easier. It becomes very easy. You know, you do it with little love and care and understanding, knowing that everybody have them own a little problem and all of them something there. And them there's something that them for train enough to do. And not just to go and go kill. Because remember in a boss, when you kill a gunman, remember say, one gunman no travel. It always have a group. And a done man in it. And so when you kill one of the done man, there's always second in charge and third in charge. So when you kill one, you're going to the community go kill one. The other one don't rise up. But because you never have a community policing and a rapport to know what's going on, you stop right there. Because just seeing you, them we could all change up them ways and say, boy, Mr. Brown, they come round and check you. In cool, he's a nice officer and all of that. Maybe them just forget about them bad man business. Because basically, remember nobody now attack them, no alien attack them. And then we think twice. Them see you, they said, gunman, they are going to one little grocery store, go buy one bowl of heat and him come in there and see you. And him just see how you go on and them way there and you're cool and all of that. Them don't even bother with no more shooting and killing of each other. Them just drop that. So, when you think about it, man, think about the community policing. It really help. It will help. Need to help out the youth, them man. Help them out. No hide behind your big gun, sir. Show some care. Show some care. Show us your care for the community. And your care for the country. Because let me tell you, when you have the dirty cops, them, the very dirty one, them can be very, very dirty. So go and go visit to the community and make the people know. Because me all look into this other thing what me see who they engage in. It is so nasty and low. When a policeman get up and say him have a gunman as a friend, you want to explain that to me, officer? Write a comment and explain that to me. Let me try to understand it. Because no gunman not supposed to have no police in his pocket. It not supposed to happen. that for sure how low uno is, uno low. And nyami and beggy like a prostitute. Can't do that. No gunman is supposed to be friendly with a policeman. A policeman's job is to hunt down gunman. So how you don't friend the enemy? That don't make sense. It don't make no sense to me. Look, a lion's job is to hunt. That's the only job. Hunt and kill. So you're like a lion. Your job is to hunt and look for the gunman. So how you have him have you in his pocket? Can't work, boss. Your job is to protect the people from the gunman, not the other way around. And the other thing is, the gunman, some of them so damn fool anyway, because they can't even read, because them should have know say, they can't friend uno no friendly. For uno friendship cannot last, because as me say, the lion job is to hunt and kill. So any week that the gunman no have no money for you, no. I dead in the dead, you know. Just like that. In the dead. Because the only thing we know him have when you communicate with him is just to name him out. That just name you, then name him out. And him think I protect you, they protect him. So right there, so gunman I idiot. And both of you are idiot. You are fool yourself. And you're not doing your country any justice. None whatsoever. Your job is to protect the community. Protect the community. Take care of the people in the community. Not take care of the gunman. You can't have a relationship with a gunman. That don't make no sense to me. And when you don't have no money for you, don't kill him. Respect your job, boss. You have to respect your job. Because a lot of who higher ranking police no say them the boy there or them the dirty nasty policeman have friendly relationship with them the gunman there. And then they name out the gunman them. But uno higher rank officer, uno they make money out of it. Because when the little low rank police boy have the relationship they go on, him have to get money and carry some kind share up with uno. And uno knows that are true. Money they share up for uno. Cause a whole heap of the gunman them have uno in a them pocket. And me never know. I mean, that just can't work. It can't work. Your job is go look for them. Arrest them, carry them in, and not them out them money. No respect when you not have both for the self and the country. You know, just say hold the country back. Holy power, they do that. I mean, if you know say you're one of them the kind of policeman, quit the job, boss. Take off the uniform. Take off the uniform. You don't look good. You don't look good. Really. It's disgusting. And as me say, only in Jamaica. I mean, me see things where it never make no sense. I remember me see one video there where one policeman some England thing with a woman, and between the two of them, you don't know what the police. You only know because she sort of have on her uniform. The police woman grab up the woman grab up the police. The two of them clothes almost come off. Me nah let you go. They said that the police. They said, I mean, what kind of behavior that? All because of how you carry yourself. Because if you do not job the proper way, you don't get respect. You will get respect. Because even as me say, community policing, if that female police officer is assigned to an area and she go in at that area there and people know her, maybe when the woman and I grab up, may not be in the community, but people know of her and know that she is respectful, and so that woman wouldn't have to that the behavior they wouldn't have to happen. But how no show up and how no carry yourself. And this is the result of everything. Make we have no see and can't give the respect what you should get because now throw out that they respect to the public. So what me want to do, think about it. Think about community policing. Engage the youths. Talk to the children. Ask them about school, teacher, them favorite subject and all of that. Stop at the little grocery place, the little shop, buy one bulla. If I have one sweetie, talk to the people them. No make them afraid of you, no hide behind the gun. Make them see someone a regular human being. And that, my friend, will make a difference. For you, for the people, for the community, and for the country. Try that out and see if you know I'm going to see great result. So as me say, all my they throw it, I just idea and solution. So I hope commissioner listen to this. And said police officer listen to this. And start to change the way you do things. And go and run with this idea here and the little solution. So I hope one or two, if I'm one, can listen to this and say, tell no other squaddy. I decide, say, boy, we have to make a change. Because remember, there's something out there called social media. And we all they say dirty nasty behavior. And guess what? The gunman them always they chat. Nobody no keep no secret. So everybody know who know. Awful, terrible, licky police officer. So, wanna go and work good? Take care of yourself. Catching up on the next episode. The Spots out.